Okay, let's continue working with the verb to be, sein. So in our previous lessons, you learned how to say I am, ich bin. You learned how to say you are with the informal you, which is du bist. In this lesson, we want to ask the question, are you, using the informal du. So how do you do that? Well, let's go ahead and look at that. So remember first, you are, du bist. You are, du bist. Okay, so now the question, are you, using the informal you, du. Bist du. Remember, all you have to do is just reverse the word order. Conjugated verb first, and then subject pronoun. So bist du, are you, bist du. Are you? Bist du? Are you? Bist du? Are you? Bist du? Tired? MÜDE. Tired. MÜDE. Tired. MÜDE. Tired. MÜDE. So let's put it all together and ask the question, are you tired? Are you tired? Bist du müde? Bist du müde? Bist du müde? Are you tired? Bist du müde? Are you tired? Bist du müde? Bist du müde? Are you tired? Bist du müde? So let's advance your vocabulary and add in a few more adjectives that we can use with sein. So done or finished. This is done or finished in the sense of having completed a task. Fertig. Done, finished. Fertig. Done, finished. Fertig. Done, fertig. Ready, as in prepared to do something, like ready to leave, ready to go, ready to start. Ready. Bereit. Ready. Bereit. Bereit. Ready. Bereit. Ready. Bereit. Sick. Krank. Sick. Krank. Sick. Krank. Sick. Krank. Nervous. Nervös. Nervous. Nervös. Nervous. Nervös. Nervous. Nervös. Did you get all that? Let's check. To be. Sein. Are you, using du. Bist du. Tired. Müde. Done. Fertig. Ready. Bereit. Sick. Krank. Nervous. Nervös. So let's take a look at everything that you can say now. If you want to ask the question, are you? Bist du. Bist du. Are you tired? Bist du müde? Are you done? Bist du fertig? Are you ready? Bist du bereit? Are you sick? Bist du krank? Are you nervous? Bist du nervös? Alright, well that's it for this lesson. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. Bis bald!